Hey guys, JB here from Alpha Wolf Consulting, coming to you today with the Alpha Wolf Guide to Psychological Engineering free workshop. So, this is the introductory workshop. In this workshop, I will also send you, when you sign up for this workshop, all of my exclusive Alpha Wolf guides. So, this is an introductory session or an introductory workshop to basically introducing you to understanding how to engineer an unconditional mindset, how to re-engineer your transactional mindset or transaction-based mindset into an unconditional mindset, how to engineer unconditional love, how to engineer unconditional self-worth. Like, do you sort of get it? How to engineer unbreakable belief within yourself. Like, do you think I doubt myself? Do I sound like I doubt myself? Do motherfucking I stutter in any of my motherfucking words? Do you sort of get it? I'm not stuttering because there's no fucking belief in me that is not what I want it to be. Do you get it? It's all up here. It's engineered. So understand this. Engineering unbreakable belief within yourself is just a process. Like, do you understand? Of designing what unbreakable belief looks like to you, and then choosing to embody that design within every action you take, every word you speak, every decision you make. Like, do you start to get it? Like, it's not difficult. It's just right now you have your mind's a mess. It's all chaotic. It's all over the place. Like, do you get it? Like, you've never engineered it to be organized. You've never engineered it to be disciplined. Like, do you sort of get it? Your unconscious mind or your emotional state is a wild ocean in the middle of a tropical cyclone. My emotional state is a fucking blissful pond that is just glistening with sunlight, you know? It's just perfect. There's a couple of ducks in there. Like, do you start to get it? Like, I can exist within my emotions because my emotions are stable. Like, does this make sense? If you start to understand this, you will start to understand engineering unbreakable belief within yourself is what? Identifying what unbreakable belief looks like, embodying those actions, behaviors, and words, and then reflecting on the outcomes of that embodiment. Like, do you sort of get it? I have unshakable or unbreakable belief within myself because I've built a process of understanding if I say something, I then do it. If I do it, the result is done. Like, it's pretty basic. I don't have to doubt myself. Do you sort of get it? But you have to doubt yourself because you think you want something, but you don't know what you want. You think you're willing to invest and do what it takes, but you're not really willing to. Like, you think you're going to get the results, but you don't really know. Before I take an action, I already know the result, when I'm going to get it, and what I'm going to get. Like, do you start to understand? Like, it's pretty basic. It's like one plus one is two. Like, job done. Do you get it? Like, do you want to engineer unshakable self-confidence? Like, do you want self-confidence that if I blow on you, you don't fall to pieces like majority of these egotistical fuckers out here who have fake or fragile confidence, which is based in what they have, based in their results, based in their followers, based in their looks, based in their fucking intellect. Like, my confidence is based within an unconscious, unconditional knowing that every word I speak, I am willing to die for. It's the difference between me and you. I'm willing to die for every word that I say. So, motherfucker, if I say words, Like there is the force of me behind them. That's why you think I'm confident. Like, do you get it? Engineered. You misunderstand what psychological engineering is. So I implore you, take up this workshop. Learn how to re-engineer your mindset. Learn how to engineer an unconditional mindset and unconditional reality. Learn psychological engineering. Like, do you start to understand? Learn how to understand your form, your mind. Like, do you start to get it? So, an awesome thing that I have included in this free workshop is all of my Alpha Wolf guides. When you sign up for this workshop, I give you the Alpha Wolf Guide to Personal Development and Becoming Your Dream Self, the Alpha Wolf Guide to Engineering Your Mindset with the 30-day practices and reflection guide. Like, do you get it? Like, I give you the Alpha Wolf Guide to Engineering an Unconditional Mind. And an important thing, just to let you know, like the smallest book is 180 pages and the largest is 390. Do you start to get it? Like these aren't fucking, I'm not giving you pamphlets, mate. These are the most advanced understandings. These are specific processes that align specifically to the programs that I do, but they work within each other and they layer upon each other to raise your understanding to becoming motherfucking God in physical motherfucking form. Do you get it? Remember that. So we got the Alpha Wolf Guide to Engineering an Unconditional Mindset, right? We got the Alpha Wolf Guide to Mother Universe and Father Consciousness. Like, do you understand what that is? Motherfucker, that is a thesis on the universe and God. And I challenge anyone to prove me wrong. But you cannot, because I have proven the mother and the father within the physical universe and the non-physical universe, within physics and quantum physics. Like, do you get it? Like, it's pretty basic. So understand this. The Alpha Wolf Guide to the Alpha Wolf Guide to Mother Universe and Father Consciousness is motherfucking the future of human understanding. If you can conceptualize that information, you understand life, you understand the universe, you understand consciousness, you understand why you seek love in life. Like, realize this. It is the most advanced, not because I want to jerk myself off, because I went further than anyone else ever thought was possible. Like, that's just who I am. Do you get it? Like, if I want to flex on you, I'm gonna do something impossible. I'm not gonna go out and buy a fucking gay Bugatti like some little fag boy. I'm gonna go out and reshape fucking reality and then flex on you. Like, do you get it? You can't do shit to me because, motherfucker, you're so much further behind me. Realize this. Because, motherfucker, I do. That's why I don't need you to like me. Like, do you get it? I already know you're going to come this way. Like, do you get it? It might take you 60 years, but you'll eventually end up exactly where this knowledge is. Do you get it? However you end up there. But regardless, it's a fucking flex on me because I've done what other cunts tried to do for thousands of years and egotistically failed because of their limited egotistical mindsets. So understand this. Unconditional mindset is the fucking power of understanding the universe. You can't understand the universe when you're an egotistical fuckwit. So let go to your fucking ego. Because I'm not going to talk to your ego politely. Remember this. Then we have the Alpha Wolf Guide to Psychological Engineering. This is a fucking textbook for psychological engineering. Do you sort of get it? Within the Alpha Wolf Guide to Psychological Engineering, there is the most complete and comprehensive understanding on psychological engineering. There is a practical guide of me implementing psychological engineering. And then just for fun, I put in a process to use psychological engineering to alter the narrative of a nation and then by subsequent alter the perception of a nation to then remove governments, to remove politicians, to remove the whole political structure. Like, realize this shit. Like, you've got to understand, like, you cannot perceive what I do, but you will understand it within time. Time is my greatest ally because should I take an action, it is not that that action succeeds or fails. It is how long that action takes until it takes root, like bamboo, and then poof, it grows. Do you get it? So understand this, like I put in a literal process to subsequently go above the government and then dominate the government. Like, do you get it? Like, it's no joke. Like, do you get it? I even show you how to use psychological conditioning in psychological warfare. So remember, swearing, offensive language, all of this is a cover that I can mask a psychological bomb. Do you get it? I implant into your unconscious mind while your conscious mind is so focused on the anger you think I speak or on what you egotistically believe about me. Do you understand? So within the Alpha Wolf Guide to Psychological Engineering, there is a fucking process to re-engineer anyone who reads it. That's the power of psychological engineering, is that two conversations happen, the conscious conversation and the unconscious conversation. If you cannot see your unconscious thoughts within your mind, so if you physically cannot see your unconscious mind as it processes, you cannot stop unconscious conditioning. Realize that. That is why psychological engineering is so important because I will teach you the exact process and pattern to being able to see unconscious thoughts. It's a funny thing. It's why you cannot manipulate me. Because should you try to manipulate my unconscious mind, like I understand and feel this shift and change. Like, do you sort of get it? And then I have engineered responses to that shift and change. So realize this, the free workshop for the guide to psychological engineering is going to elevate your current understanding to the next understanding. It is literally the gateway into my programs. You will not understand my programs unless you understand this information. You have to understand these fucking guides to fucking buy my program, or I will fucking get your money and I will throw it back in your fucking face. This is the minimum fucking standard. I don't give a fuck who you are. I don't give a fuck who you think you are. I don't give a fuck what you think you have. If you want to get into my Alpha Wolf programs, you have to go through this process. You have to do this. It is non-negotiable. Do you get it? Like, regardless, if you think you can get around understanding this knowledge, you will get nothing from me. The value is this knowledge that I am giving you in this fucking program. Do you get it? You get all the knowledge. I charge you to decipher it. Do you get it? If you can decipher it on your own, you will get everything that I have promised. If you would like me to decipher it for you, you must understand it. That is that. There is no ifs, buts, or maybes. So remember that truth, because this is the greatest offer I have ever given. Do you get it? And all it takes is your willingness to take the action, to start understanding your mind, understanding reality, understanding the universe, and understanding God. Because until you understand that, you are but just a man. Do you get it? You're just a man. You're nothing. You can't do nothing. You can't do anything. Like, look at all the millionaires and billionaires in this world. They are fucking pathetic and they don't do jack and they don't do shit. They're posers. It's just fact. Like, every cunt with money is the laziest little bitch because they play the games of pretend and act like they're fucking revolutionaries. Ooh, I made better marketing. Ooh, I made a better product. Ooh, I made better content. It doesn't really fucking matter. Cunt, there's humanity and moving humanity forward. Anyone who is not using their wealth to move humanity forward is a fucking pathetic bitch in my eyes. So realize that. 99.99% of people in this world are pathetic bitches in my eyes. If you don't want to be a pathetic bitch in my eyes, this is the fucking first step you can take. And then maybe you can choose to be and care for more than just yourself. Maybe you should be more than just who you think you are, who you think others need you to be. Maybe you should be more than just what you have. Maybe you should be more than just what you think is possible. Maybe you should fucking be more, cunt. Realize that. Because if you want to gain any of the Alpha Wolf programs, it is through this workshop that we will speak. Do you get it? And if you understand this information, I will teach you through my programs. But if you cannot understand this information that we go through, I will not waste a fucking second on you, cunt. Realize that and remember it because I fucking do. So what that means is I remember saying this. So when you come to me and pretend like you cannot understand this, I'll just tell you to fuck off because I've already warned you in this video. Remember that because I fucking do. Do you sort of get it?